cake making, pizza making, keychain making, adventure, science, games, survival, and history in one place. Welcome to the world of scouting! Pagpasok pa lang namin, na-excite na kami sa lawak ng place na para ba kaming bumalik sa pagkabata na excite maglaro, maglibot, matuto at mag-try ng something new. This place is not just a museum na titingnan at babasahin mo lang yung displays. Dito, mai-experience mo mismo. May Aerotrim 360 tactical ride na patibayan na di mahilo. May glimpse of scout camp life, may treasure hunt, games, and different challenges na perfect for kids and kids in heart. Isa sa favorite part ng experience namin yung creative workshop nila. We tried baking workshop. Gumawa kami ng red velvet cake na merong pink and blue icing na para bang gender reveal ang pek. Ang perfect lang dahil di mo lang na-experience gumawa ng cake. Ititake home mo din mismo yung cake. Same din nung gumawa kami ng pizza. Pagkaluto, kinain na namin agad. Gutom yarn. Aside from that, meron pang ibang workshop like keychain making, perfume making, candle making, painting, and more. Some workshops have separate fees, so pili na lang kayo ng activities nang gusto nyong itry. May adapa fish din sila dito, kaya umuwi kaming may betta fish. I can say this place is not only for scouts and kids, kasi kaming adults, super nag-enjoy kami. And this is Nana, at hanggang sa muling adventure, paalam!